Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlu. I am one of the economic developer within the Kringle community. This morning I will be talking of being proud of what we believe in. We are proud of TBC, and I can stand with every sense of responsibility to tell everyone, to tell the whole world that I am not ashamed to say I believe in TBC. TBC is a unique and a wonderful vision that God has given through our able admin. And indeed, since 2016, we have been moving and been pursuing this mission, this vision through this wonderful mission. Guys, do not let anybody to deceive you. Do not let anybody to dissuade you. We are on the right course. TBC is different. It's different. It's totally different from all public coins. TBC is not a public coin, and it will not be. TBC has a unique mission to fulfill. Unique mission to liberate and to deliver mankind from the shackles of the power that be, that held humanity bound. And this we have proven over the past years. TBC has come to give and to restore our birthright. So, guys, to everyone listening to me, TBC cannot be compared to any other public coin. In TBC, we don't buy money with money. No, rather, TBC is a means of payment for goods and services, and this has been proven over time. And that is why TBC has numerous over 22,000 merchants and still counting. TBC has come to what? To raise men, to raise millionaires, billionaires who will indeed have enough and abundance to live and to feed on. So, guys, do not let anybody to dissuade you, do not let anybody to deceive you out of TBC. Stand firm, remain focused in TBC, play your parts, and you will indeed enjoy the dividend of TBC. I can assure you, I am not ashamed to say I believe in TBC. And for this purpose, for this cause, we will continue to speak out for humanity to know and to see that yes, indeed, TBC is a just cause. In TBC, we live by the principle of love and respect. So, guys, come on board. If you are out there, you're here to come into the community, you are welcome. And if you are a member and you are dilly-dally, I urge you, I charge you, do not give in to every naysayer. Do not give in to every trust out there. Do not allow anybody to take away your birthright for you. Stand firm and remain focused in TBC. TBC is our birthright. Thank you. God bless you all.